Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute scarf. It's so easy to make, even a beginner can easily make it. It took just a few hours to make this, and I made a matching hat, and I made this less than 1 hour, so you can make both of them in one day and wear it. And for this one I use 280 grams, 280 meters of yarn. That's my yarn. One ball is 100 grams, 100 meters, and it's a category 6 yarn, super bulky yarn. It recommends 3mm hook, but I'm sure the person who put this here never used a hook before. That's my yarn. You can use any yarn you choose, of course, but a super bulky yarn will work good, I think. And I use 8mm hook. And for this hat, I use 120 grams of yarn. So 4 balls of yarn will be fairly enough for these two. And that's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. Then I will make 161 chains. First I made 11 chains and have 10 half double crochets, and I made a few rows with the stitch I will use, and measure it was 10 centimeter. So 161 chains will be 160 centimeters for me. If you want to adjust this, just make a little sample like I do, and you can find your perfect measurements with this way, or you can just follow my directions, and you will have nearly 160 centimeter, a few more or few less. It's so easy to adjust, as you see. I'm gonna make 161 chains and turn back to you. I complete 161 chains, and I will turn my chains. I'm gonna use this back bumps because it looks better. Yarn over, skip the first one, insert into the next, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. So that's half double crochet. We will make half double crochets for all the chains we have. Keep going, see at the end. I finished the first row. Chain 1, turn. Now we will make half double crochets again, but we are not using these loops. That's the back loop, front loop, and first loop. We are gonna use this first loop. Yarn over, insert here, grab the yarn and make a half double crochet. Yarn over. You can see this stitch here. I'm gonna use this one, and we're gonna push this stitch to the back side. And just repeat this. That's how it looks. See you at the end of the row. I'm almost at the end. And don't miss this one. You see, that's my stitch, and that's the first loop. Insert here and make a half double crochet, make a chain and turn. Start with the same way again. If you afraid about skipping some stitches, losing some stitch counts, you can put a stitch marker here. Look, that's the stitch, and this will be my last stitch in the next row. Put a stitch marker here, then keep going. And that's all. We will repeat this. Always put one half double crochet into the first stitch in the end. That's my last stitch, and I'm gonna keep repeating this as long as I want. When I turn back, I will give you the measurements. See you. I made it 13 rows, and I wanted to show you the measurements, but there is some unexpected guest. So just a second, I could find a way. Just a second. Okay. I made it almost 7 inches long. It's 13 rows right now. I started from here. That's my starting tail. And for the last row, I'm gonna make single crochets. If you look from here, sorry, okay. It looks like that, and now I'm gonna finish it with a single crochet row. If you want, you can make a half double crochet row too, but I think that looks better because this first row look shorter than the other ones, and with single crochet row it will be similar with this. I'm gonna use this front loops again, first loops again. Just put one single crochet into each stitch. See at that. Now complete the row. Make a chain. Cut this yarn. Oops. And I'm gonna hide this tail. And that's it. I used nearly 3 balls of yarn and it was so simple. I hope you like it too. And if you want, you can put some tassels or fringe. I like it this way. I think it looks perfect, and I will keep it. But you can add something you want on it. That's all. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.